Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the chat support on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the chat support on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Settings on the top-hand side. Click on Get Help. And with that, you could also go ahead and contact support or chat support related to a certain item. So let's take this Archie's Thai restaurant, for example. Click on Receipt, then click on Help on the top right-hand corner. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. So let's say if there's an issue with the item. And with that, you could actually go ahead and select which item, and it'll actually go ahead and prompt you to a chat window. Same thing if you click on something else, then click on contact support, it'll lead you to this chat window as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the chat support on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.